Vivo V21. How to remove the pattern lock. Don't worry guys, we are here. Let's fix the problem. Turn off the phone. Watch carefully, this is the key point. Press the up volume button and power button. Let's press the both buttons at same the time. Now you can see the recovery mode. You able to use up volume button and down volume button for select the options. Select the recovery mode and press power button for OK. Press the clear data option. Clear all data. Wait a few minutes. Now all data cleared. Click the return button. Now select the clear cache. Please restart your phone. Successfully work completed. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.